Welcome to SAEs with Tech, where smart living meets smart choices. We bring you the best tech, tools, and home upgrades that actually make life easier, healthier, and more profitable. Imagine taking a shower and your skin feels softer, your hair shinier, and your water tastes like it's straight from a mountain spring, all without using harsh salt or chemicals. Sounds like a luxury? Well, it's not. It's the future of water in your home. Hard water is silently damaging your home. Clogged pipes, wrecked appliances, itchy skin, dry, dull hair. And don't even get started on drinking water that smells or tastes weird. If you've ever dealt with hard water stains, dry skin, or constantly replacing expensive filters and machines, then you know the frustration. What if I told you there's a solution that not only fixes these problems, but transforms your entire home's water system? Introducing the whole house salt-free water softener and filter combo. Equipped with high-performance coconut shell, carbon block filtration, and a UV light purification system. Designed for homes with up to 5 bathrooms, it's your all-in-one solution for clean, soft, chemical-free water, straight from every tap. This system works without salt, which means no maintenance, no heavy bags, and no added sodium in your water. The carbon block filter removes chlorine, VOCs, bad taste, and odor, while the UV light kills 99.9% of bacteria and viruses, offering you hospital-grade purification at home. Benefits: your skin feels hydrated after every shower. No more white scale on sinks, faucets, or kettles. Your appliances last longer, saving you hundreds in repairs. And every drop of water your family drinks is pure, clean, and chemical-free. Think of this not just as a purchase, but an investment in your health, your home, and your peace of mind. You install it once, and it pays for itself in fewer plumbing issues, longer appliance life, fewer skin treatments, and no more bottled water runs. We take water for granted, but it touches every moment of our lives, from the first sip in the morning to the last rinse before bed. Shouldn't it be the cleanest, safest, and most nourishing it can be? If you care about your home, your health, and your loved ones, this is one upgrade you'll never regret. Click the link below to get yours today and give your home the gift of truly clean water. Stop living with hard water. Start living better with the whole house salt-free water softener and filter combo.